Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can be able to download and install the OKX app on your phone. OKX is a popular cryptocurrency exchange that offers a mobile app for users to buy, sell and trade cryptocurrencies on the go. If you're new to OKX or you want to start trading on your mobile device, this guide will walk you through the process of downloading and installing the OKX app on your mobile device. So let's get started. The first step you have to take is to go over to your Play Store. But if you're using an iPhone or an iOS device, then what you have to do is to go over to your App Store. So let me tap on my Play Store since I'm using an Android device in this video tutorial today. So let me tap on my Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, tap on your App Store and you have to follow the same process. They have the same process. So let me tap on Play Store. You can see now my Play Store is opening. So once my Play Store opens up, what I have to do now is to search for OKX, and I can do that by tapping on the search icon down there. Let me tap on it. Then let me tap on the search bar at the top. Let me type in OKX. Let me tap on it. Then let me type in OKX real quick. Let me type it in OKX. Then let me tap on search down there. Let me tap on it. Right there guys is the OKX app. You can see the logo right there. Let me tap on it to open up the web page. Let me tap on it. Right there guys is the OKX app. I believe you can see it more clearly right now. You can see the name OKX, buy Bitcoin, BTC and crypto. Guys, for you to be able to download and install this app, what you can simply do is to tap on where you can see install. You can see the install button right there. So let me tap on it real quick. Right there guys can see it is loading. The OKX app have started downloading. It is at 0% now. So what you have to do is to wait till it gets to 100%. My internet connection is not that strong, but let's just wait a few seconds. It's going to get downloaded, then after that it's going to start installing automatically. You can see now it is at 1%. I don't know, my internet is too bad today, but let me check. You can see now it's not going very fast. You can see now it's downloading. Let's just wait a few seconds. You can see it has gotten to 99%, then 100%. It's going to start installing now in a few seconds. You can see it's going to start installing. Now it's installing now. You can see it right guys. So guys, this is how you can be able to download and install your OKX app into your mobile device. You can see it right there written installed. So now what I have to do now is to go ahead now to open up the app. You can see right where it is written open. So let me tap on it. Open is on the right hand side. So let me tap on open. You can see now the OKX app is opening. You can see it's loading up. You can see it's loading up. Wow guys, this is the first interface you're going to see once you open up the OKX app for the first time. You can see what's written there. Let me tap on allow. It says allow OKX to send notifications. So let me tap on allow. Right guys, what you have to do right away now is either to log in or sign up. So guys, this is how you can be able to download and install the OKX app into your mobile device. See you in the next upload. Do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Bye.